Starting at number 10, Safeway. Shares of the grocery chain are popping in the pre-market after a report came out saying that the company may hold an IPO for a minority stake in Blackhawk Network Holdings in the first half of next year. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Betty's Eli Lilly. The pharma company has been upgraded to outperform over at Sanford Bernstein as an Alzheimer's treatment nears approval, which could bring in an estimated $8 billion with a B dollars per year in sales. The price target also raised to $52 a share. Matt.
Number 8 is Williams-Sonoma. Shares of the specialty cooking store are rising in the pre-market after the company was upgraded to buy at Deutsche Bank, setting a target price of $48 a share. Betty?
All right, well, staying in retail for your 7th stock this morning is Dollar General. Shares of the discount store operator jumped in the pre-market, then paired some of those gains after the company boosted its full-year profit forecast. Yesterday, shares closed up 20% for the year.
And coming in number 6 is GE. The world's largest jet maker won the largest Pentagon contract in August, with the award being valued at about $7 billion over the next 9 years. More than 380 contracts with a total value of $26.5 billion were given out by the Defense Department. Matt.
All right, 3M is number 5. The Post-it note maker said it was still in talks about buying Avery Dennison Corp's office products unit just hours after the DOJ announced that the $550 million deal had been abandoned due to antitrust concerns. Betty?
And for a change, Zynga, which is your 4th stock, those shares are actually rising for the online game maker in the pre-market after hitting that all-time low earlier this week. The company has been struggling to maintain its senior management amid declining share prices.
Yeah, Betty, number 3 is Facebook. Two companies tied to each other, right? Shares of the social media company hit an all-time low yesterday, bottoming out at around $17.50 per share. CEO Mark Zuckerberg is trying to end that slide by announcing he's not going to start selling any of his shares for at least 1 year. Alex.
And coming in number 2, Capital One. Shares of the bank are falling in the pre-market after ING announced that it would sell its stake in Capital One in a secondary sale. The more than 9% stake is valued at about $3 billion. Betty.
And your number 1 stock this morning has to do with the smartphone wars. Nokia. In the next hour, the Finnish company will be releasing a new line of smartphones. It is rolling out the red carpet here in New York in its efforts to promote the phones as it teams up with Batman, Lady Gaga, in an attempt to gain market share from both Apple and also Android-based phones.